going on here? What are you doing just sitting around? We have a deadline. We have work to do. Let's start.
I got you. How about a dramatic video?
A dramatic video? Really? A dramatic video. A dramatic video. That is maybe the dumbest idea I've heard all week. Maybe even all day. Maybe even this hour. Maybe this minute. Maybe even all year. What we need to do is,
I got it. A fight video.
a fight video.
That is the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
You know what? You think of something. Give me your idea.
Okay, I don't know what we're gonna do, but let's just not have Harrison film. Hey Sean, I'm just gonna go get some air real quick. Alright.
Yeah, it's pretty fair to say.
Listen, Eli, you have to have a good idea right now. That's the only reason we even brought you in this group in the first place. Now, what do you got?
I got it. A horror movie.
Your mother is dead. You won't get away with this.
Don't you get it, Mills? I already have.
Now, it's time for you to die.
No. A horror movie, you see, has already been done. We don't want to be the people who do everything over again. I've got it. A video with a big twist at the end.
School's almost over. Just get through the day. Let's go. Gone? Oh no. Butterfly effect. Oh God.
No.
It's been done. I can count at least 2 times it's been done.
Are you serious?
Yes. Calm down.
Here's the thing.
No, not again. Don't.
No.
Calm.
I have thought about this a lot.
Calm
and
down.
Hold on. Bo. What are you doing?
Oh wait, so we're not filming?
No, why would we be filming a video about making a video? Just come sit down with us and help us plan out our ideas.
I got an idea. Why don't we just do a fight video?
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
You guys want to go film it?
Let's go.
What?
Come on, guys.
You guys said no to this. What? Oh my God.
Wow, Bo, this is awesome. Great idea.
Thank you. You know me.